guys, so today's video we are going to play this fidget toy game. So let's try out this one. Okay, let's try. Oh my gosh, let's try this. Oh, what's this? Stress out. How about we stop it till it's done? It's a man. It's a pressure. Oh my god! It's so chubby. It's a chubby girls. Later, please. Let's try out this one. I'm gonna put some sound. No thanks. Okay. Oh, that's actually. Anyway, we press. Okay, that makes it faster. Oh, we press this. Oh, great! Well, I'm gonna try to buy it. You know my favorite color is right here. Let's try to find. Let's try. Oh, these are good. It looks like it's blinking. Oh, purple? Okay, purple's not that bad. Okay, let's try a different one.
That's right! Yes! So, I'm playing my favorite game ever right
now. No, I don't go to
So, I'm playing my favorite game ever right
now. And what do you want?
Yes.
What do you want? Whether your name is Eric or something? Just leave me alone. Red pepper is spicy. Or hot. I don't know how to say it. Okay, let's try out this one. Okay, let's try turn this in this. Okay, bad. 1, 2, 3. They count with me, guys. One, two, this. Okay, count on me. 1. Oh wait. Okay. 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No. Oh, okay, now. Count with me. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Oh my gosh, another ad. Let's break it. Let's try out. Oh, not that one. Let's try out. Oh, this. Ooh, that's really strong. A melon. Oh, I did not really do that. Another melon. Look at all these melons. Another one. Another one. What's this for these melons? Melon. Where's oh, but that's all. My first car. Okay, my super. That was sound. Okay. Okay. So let's just go back and go in. Let's go back in this game. Fidget Toys 3D. And this is on Play Store for free. Make sure to download it. It's actually just supposed to be a stressing game. I actually like it. For sound. Wait, let's listen to this. Okay, that's really loud. C F C D F F F F F F F and E. Let's try happy birthday. Oh, C C D C F E C O C C C D C G F. Yeah, actually give up. Okay, I actually know what to look at this. Let's try out this one. This one. This one. Okay, I'm a good cutter, and I'm a good cutter. I'm actually a good, really cutter.